There's number 1, Alcantara. Looking for that big pass to Roque, back to Alcantara. Cross pass to Gomez, 15 on the shot against. There's number 1, Alcantara. Corner pass to Gomez, 8 on the shot clock. Mid back to De Jesus. Air ball. There's number 10, Toman. Looking for the peak, looking for the other man. Bounce pass to Rafael. There's number 24, spin goal, makes it up, it's good. Number 5, takes target goal against Mamaril. Pass to Osora, back to Gomez. 15 on the shot. There's number 2 to Alcantara. Hesitate ball. Did the track, looking for the glass, not good. 40-second shot clock. Mr. Gomez, pass to Alcantara, has the move, there's number 1, perimeter jumper, is not good. Fighting for the rebound, there's number 5, pass, there's number 10, it's on the line, it's not good, shot, it's not good. But there's a whistle. Free throw, there's 21. Now second digit, there's number 2, Gomez. 14 on the shot, crossover moves, that's the middle, makes it up, it's good. 32-21. There's number 10, Toman against the 2 defenders. There's a pushing down, there's number 1. That is first foul, second team foul. That is Pino corner 3, it's not the reverse, number 5 for the putback. There's a reset again, foul, there's number 7. And he's there. Shot is still look good. Don't about that jersey number 10, Toman. He's a pass from Mamaril to Rafael. Puts it up, it's good. 2.6 second ball, penetrate. That pass. Out of bounds, same ball. There's number 1, Alcantara. Using that big for 3. It's not a fighting for the rebound. The one is number 1. Part of putback is still not good. Out of bounds, same ball. Substitution. 14-second shot clock, 14 seconds to shoot. There's number 1, Alcantara. Drop pass, intercept. It's Celestino. There's number 2, looking for the open man. Pass to Tom, masyado malakas ang pasa. Intercept, there's number 2, Gomez. Benefit drop pass to Alcantara, ganda pasa. But there's a foul. There's number 1, Mr. Alcantara. Second shot is still not good. Secure the rebound. Bottom is the number 8. There's number 18. Jump ball, save ball. There's number 10. Toman. Pass to Ramadan. There's number 55. Straight goal. High pass to Celestino is good. Score 55-32. Back to Gomez. Looking for that peak. Corner pass to Alcantara. Wide open for 3. It's not good. Fighting for the rebound. Jersey number 10. Toman. Pass to right. Jersey number 5. Jersey number 5. Makes it. Bar. It's good. That's the ball game. There's number 8. Oglia, pass to Alcantara. Cross pass to Gomez, 14 on the shot clock. Adding fast after play. There's a line violation turnover. There's number 10, Toman, pass to Doctor. 8 pass to Ramadan, pass to Mamaril. 2:29. Tatlo na lang kalaban. Barangay Ducon, the 1 possession lead. There's number 2. Looking for the big perimeter jumper. Puts it in, it's good. There's number 5, Doctor against Gomez. Looking for the big possession number 3. It's good. Finding by the rebound. There's number 18, number 7, this time call on jersey number 10. 6-second move. Taking on the shot on spin move. Against the 3 defenders. Always intercept. Cross pass to Rabanan. 12 on the shot lock against Guevara. Intercept jersey number 1. Spin move. 3 on 2 passes jersey number 1. That pass. Kaya po sila masyado malakas. Paano mo na rin on jersey number 13. Send them back. Easy man down. On jersey number 13. 8 on the shot on jersey number 2. Gomez. Jersey number 2. That pass to Guevara. Time remaining 5 minutes and 8 seconds to play. Score 34-31. 14 on the shot clock. There's a number 10, Toman. Looking for David Man. Pass to Doctor. There's a number 5. Has stick move. Stack him in the mix. There's a number 2, Gomez. The spin move. Corner pass will be out for 3. Now the pass. There's a number 5. There's a whistle. Subdivision. That is 15 seconds to shoot. Corner pass to Pascual. Back to Gomez. Losing that big elbow. Jumper is not good. There's a foul. Back-to-back foul. Between the jersey number 15. Foul. 13 foul. 2 free throws. But on jersey number 2 is that Gomez. It's come on. Big pass to Rabanan to Rani Pia. And it's still good. Finally, we're going to run. Katie Man. Still good. But there's a legal ball between the jersey number 6. That is second down. Penalty. Second shot is still no good. It was jersey number 24. Rabanan lays it up for a shot. It's no good. Finally, for the rebound. Oil and Tayan. Out of bounds. Ball in subdivision. 6 point lead para sa Barangay Gugok.
39-33.
Here's number 1, Alcantara. Corner pass, Pascual for 3. Both teams wala na may timeout sa ating first half. There's number 51, Dave Ivan. Pass to Coleman. 15 on the shot clock. 8 pass over that 105. There's number 51. Excited, still good. Right over the rebound. Hold on, it's going to come. There's number 2 on the run. Step in the gas. And you pass. It's out.
Woo!
There's number 10, Coleman. Pass to Rabanan. There's number 24. Drop pass. There's number 15. No basket, but there's a foul. Pushing foul now. There's number 1, Alcantara. IBGB original Mr. Jesus. There's number 77. There's number 10, Viera.
10-point lead by Kutkot.
There's number 1, Alcantara.
34-44.
Looking for Gomez. There's number 2, 15 on the shot clock. There's number 2, drop pass, intercept. Pass to Vicente, lays it up, it's good. There's number 7. Side the Mesa, pass to Gomez. 12 on the shot clock, crossover move. 10-second shot clock. Jersey number 2, long three. There's a good panic order rebound on jersey number 77. Pass to Alcantara, 10 on the shot clock. 2 minutes. Jersey number 1, using that big for three. It's a good panic order rebound. There's a whistle. Goes back up. Foul jersey number 8. That is second foul penalty. Yeah. It's good number 2. 152 seconds play. Score 38-44. 6-point lead. A good possession lead. Balance for the lead clock. There's number 2, Gomez. And it's jersey number 29. Using the big there. Susani. Pass Gomez. That's the good. Dinamo Pedro. Jersey number 7. Totally out for 3. Here's number 3, makes it 5 against the basket. And gets out of a foul. Foul will be jersey number who's put up. Jersey number 8. It's complete. Subdivision. Score 47-41. Jersey number 77. Pass to Jesus. Kick a pass to Gomez to clean on the shot clock. I pick up again, Mr. Jesus, jersey number 2, drop pass to Alvarez. They intercept jersey number 24. Pass to Ryan, jersey number 29, it's the opposite. Jersey number 2, Gomez. Slice the middle, drop pass. There's a good ball. Silva. 14 second shot clock, 14 seconds to shoot. There's a number 7, Jesus. Pass to Alvarez for 3. It's no good. Long rebound. And intercept up and under. It's no good. There's a number 54. Romanan. Against the 2 defenders. 8 on the shot and there's a whistle. Foul committed jersey number 3. That's first foul penalty. Let's get 2 more to 45. Down to 2 ang kalaban. Ang barangay control. There's number 77 looking for Gomez. Here's number 2. Using that big jersey number 2 slides to make drop pass. Miscommunication turnover. Play 1 second differential between the game back and the shot clock. Jersey number 18, Mamari, magkakagaw na. Sumampilan. Mamari, malis jersey number 24. Yes, to call the game. Shot clock is up. 6 seconds to play. Jersey number 2, 6 seconds move. Pass to Samuel. But there's a whistle. For 23, instead of sorry.